everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Sephora credit card. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Sephora credit card online, open up your web browser. In the search box, type in www.community.net/Sephora and search. You'll be taken to this page from where you can select your card. Select whether you'd like to log into your Sephora Visa card or simply Sephora card. And now, tap on the sign in button appearing at the top of the screen. You'll be taken to the login area. Enter your username followed by your password in the text boxes. If you've forgotten your username or your password associated with your credit card account, then tap on Forgot username/password. After filling in all of the details, you can tap the sign in button and you'll be able to log into your Sephora credit card online. Once logged in, you can manage your Sephora credit card account right from your mobile devices or your computer, easily pay your bills, view your statements, and much more. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.